From words that weave emotions, to threads that bind traditions, to fire that shapes metal, the art of making connects us to our roots. It is a story of hands and hearts, of patience and transformation. Crafts and trades have always been the language of human creativity, a dialogue between people and the materials around them. Poetry is one of the oldest crafts of expression. Every word is chosen with care, each line shaped with rhythm and thought. Long before machines or metals, people used poetry to give form to their feelings, to name the unseen and immortalize moments of truth. The poet works with something intangible, emotion, molding it into something we can share. Like a craftsman, the poet finds harmony between control and freedom, letting inspiration flow while shaping it with skill. Through poetry, ideas and emotions are woven together into something lasting and alive. Basket weaving carries this same spirit, but through touch rather than language. It is one of the earliest human arts, older even than pottery or writing. Ancient people wove reeds, grasses, and palm leaves into vessels for carrying food, storing grain, and cradling the essentials of life. Across the world, every culture has shaped fibers into patterns that reflect its land, its people, and its stories. The process begins with preparation, gathering natural materials, soaking them, softening them until they bend without breaking. The weaver begins with a simple base, crossing and interlacing thin rods in a spiral that grows slowly upward. Over and under, a rhythm as old as civilization itself. The weaver's hands move instinctively, guided by experience and intuition. Every basket holds a memory. The choice of color, the spacing of patterns, the tightness of the weave, each detail tells a story. In African traditions, the symbols in baskets can record a community's history or express personal identity. In Japan, bamboo weaving has been elevated to fine art, admired for its elegance and technical perfection. Among Native American artisans, weaving is a sacred act, a conversation between the maker and the earth, each thread a prayer of gratitude. Today, basket weaving stands at the intersection of tradition and innovation. Artisans are blending natural and modern materials, from rattan and sisal to recycled plastics and metal wire. Some experiment with digital patterns or sustainable design, turning ancient techniques into modern statements. In a world ruled by machines and mass production, the woven basket is a quiet rebellion, a symbol of patience, precision, and care. Each piece carries a unique touch of its maker, a reminder that true craftsmanship can never be rushed. Where the weaver works with fiber, the blacksmith works with fire. In the glowing heart of the forge, raw metal bends to human will. The hammer's rhythm, strike, turn, cool, repeat, is like a heartbeat, transforming rough iron into tools, art, and purpose. Blacksmithing demands strength, but also sensitivity, a balance between force and finesse. One moment too long in the flames, and the metal loses its integrity. Modern smiths honor ancient methods while embracing new technology. Their work bridges centuries, hand-forged blades, sculpted gates, intricate jewelry, all shaped through a dialogue between tradition and innovation. Like the poet's verse and the weaver's basket, every forged piece holds the story of time, labor, and devotion. From the pen to the thread to the forge, these crafts share a single truth: creation is connection. To make something by hand, or by heart, is to participate in an ancient human story. The poet weaves with words, the weaver speaks through texture and form, and the blacksmith through flame and metal. Each turns raw material into meaning, each reminds us that beauty is born from patience. Craftsmanship, in all its forms, is a kind of poetry, not of language, but of living. It's the meeting point between imagination and material, between the mind's vision and the maker's touch. And in every poem, every basket, every forged blade, there lives the same quiet promise that creation, done with care, connects us to our past, to our world, and to one another. I have also